Namaste, dear children. Today we will start with the chapter 5 of your English book, and the name of the chapter is John and his pets. Pets are the animal which can be kept at home, or the domestic animals, we can say they are known as the pets. Here let's see about the John and his pets. There was a little boy named John. He lived with his parents in a small town that is Pali Nagar. John had two pets, a puppy and a kitten. The puppy was named as Kitu and the kitten was named as Kitty. These were the two pets of the John, that is the puppy or the Kitu, the kitten or the kitty. Every afternoon after school, John used to take his pets to a nearby park and play with them. Nearby park means the park which was near to the John's house. One day, little John was very ill. Ill means he was not feeling well to take the pets out. He was unable to take his pets for a walk. Both Kitu and Kitty were very sad as they were missing their friends at the park. Kitty and Kitu liked to run after the ducks in the park. The kitty and the Kitu, whenever they goes to park, they enjoy a lot. But when John was not feeling well or the John was ill, he could not take the Kitu and the kitty to the park. So they both were missing their park enjoyment. Luckily, little John recovered quickly and he was able to take his pets to the park again. Luckily, little John recovered quickly, we can say after 2 days or one day only, the John recovered, means he was free from disease or free from illness. Then, immediately after the recovery, he took the Kitu and the kitty to the park again. Then, let's see what happens. One day, John's grandmother came to visit him. She brought a chocolate cake and some books for him. For him means for the John. One day, John's grandmother came to visit the John and she brought a cake and some books for the John. Little John was very happy to receive the cake and the gifts. We all like and we all become very happy when someone brings the gift for us. In the same way, the John was also very happy to receive the gift from his grandmother. Now, he started spending more time on reading. He forgot about his pets. He was so busy with the books. He was reading the books which his grandmother has brought and he forgot about the pets. What he forgot? He forgot them to take to the park for the enjoyment. Kitu and Kitty were very sad once again. They felt that John did not care for them any more. But it was not like that. John, he was busy with the books. Then what happened? Let's see. Hence, one day they decided to go to the park on their own. Who decided? The Kitu and the Kitty. Hence, one day they decided to go to the park on their own and left little John with his books. Means the John, he was not aware. The Kitu and the Kitty, they decided to go to the park by themselves and they really went to the park. After some time, John felt that his pets were not there at home. He was very worried. Worried means he became in tension. He asked his dad to help him to look for them. Suddenly, it occurred to him that his pets could be in the park. So, he ran to the park and looked for them near the pond. Luckily, he found them there. He was worried when the pets were not there at home. He was searching all over the house, but suddenly he got that the pets might be at the park. He went to the park and what he found? The kitty and the Kitu, they both were there in the park and having the fun over there. He saw the pets playing with the dogs, ducks, and cats. He took them in his hands and hugged them. Hugged them means he holded them in his arm very tightly. He promised that he would never leave them alone and would bring them the park every day. By saying this, the John he promised to the Kitu and Kitty that at whatever the situation is, I will take care of yours and I will bring you daily to the park to have your fun. So, this is about the John and his pets, that is the Kitu and Kitty. Thank you.